Introducing the stunning 2024 Volkswagen Arteon EL 2.0 TDI D7F 15 in sleek black. This hatchback is loaded with features for your comfort, safety, and convenience. From air conditioning to satellite navigation to collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. With security features like centralized locking and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, the luxury trim and chrome package add a touch of style. Rest assured knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible car. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information.